Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to invite guests to Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, we need to have our own account also, and in order for us to create a new team. Okay, so log in your account, and after that, as you can see on the left side, there's a lot of option here, and you just have to go to communities. Okay, so here guys, I already have a group or team. If you wanted to create a new one, you can just have to click this one and create a new team. Okay, so I already have one here. So what we're gonna do is click this one, invite members. So click that one and enter an email address of the one that you wanted to invite. Okay, so if you search their email address guys, so there will be a guest here. Okay, so for me, I don't have one here. I don't know why, but in your end, if there's a guest here, you can click that one and send the invitation to the person that you wanted to invite with. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.